What if I ask you when was the last time you actually did something for yourself? What would you answer? ये जो 2 सेमेस्टर्स के बीच का ब्रेक होता है ना, I think this is the best time to do something for your own self. And this is my tip number 1 for the day. Like genuinely, in our busy schedules, जब पूरे टाइम हम लोग बिजी होते हैं with our exams, our classes and this and that, ये टाइम ना बेस्ट होता है जब हम खुद के लिए कुछ कर सकते हैं. For example, I made myself some amazing pancakes for today and I'm gonna have it right now because why not? You know, I genuinely believe जब vacations होता है ना तो खुद के साथ थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड कर लेना चाहिए बिकॉज व्हेन वी गो बैक टू आवर कॉलेजेस, व्हेन वी गो बैक टू आवर सेमेस्टर्स, ये सब टाइम वापस नहीं आता है. सो टेक्निकली डू समथिंग फॉर योर सेल्फ, फाइंड अ हॉबी, परस्यू दैट हॉबी, जस्ट डू इट फॉर योर ओन सेल्फ. अमेजिंग. You know, believe me, there are so many ways जब आप खुद को productive रख सकते हो in your vacations. Even I made like a dedicated video on how to be productive. लेकिन to spend time with your own self is really important. Okay, but here is one of my very genuine tip. When I ask you to spend time with yourself, please do not spend time with technology. Spend time with yourself by making and doing something which you really like to do, and that does not include playing games on laptop or video games or any such things like that. Go play out some sport, cook something for yourself, or do any genuine activity which would keep you away from technology, because that really helps you bring out some really mind opening aspects of life. Okay, so my suggestion number 2 is to write a good research paper in these vacations. Now we all know कि जब classes चलती है या फिर semester चल रहा होता है, we genuinely do not get a good time to write a good research paper. Now research paper is a really long process and it involves a lot of patience. तो जब आपकी classes चल रही होती है, exams देने होते हैं, assignments का pressure होता है, you cannot work upon a research paper. I really believe that you and me, we all want to write a good research paper and get it published at a good journal or a good place. So for that, vacations is the right time where you can work on a good research paper. Please comment down below if you really want me to make a video on research paper writing. अगर आपको नहीं आता है या अगर आपको सीखना है, or you want some tips and tricks to write a good research paper and get it published, do let me know. Put your comments in the comment section below. Taking further, my suggestion number 2, my suggestion number 3 would be to write a good article in your vacations. See, publication of article and research paper both really takes a lot of time as it has to go with a long process of editorial boards and editorial checks. For that, अगर आप advance में ही ये सब articles और research paper vacations में लिख के रखोगे, then you can save and send your publication or your articles or research paper during the time of your classes or when you are genuinely taking or going for your semesters at your university or your college. In that case, I believe you'll be able to publish more articles or research papers at the end of your 5-year course or your 3-year LLB course. Oh, and also to write a good article, you can check my video which I have already made on article writing, where I have provided A to Z advices and genuine suggestions on how you can write a good legal article. Now the suggestion number 4. I am absolutely sure that you guys are gonna love this tip. Now hear me out. Now suggestion number 4 asks you to find a good cafe nearby you along with your good company or good friend, and then go and chill there with them, taking along with your laptop. Now you can order your favorite coffee or pizza or pasta or any of your favorite dish and talk to your friend, chill with them along with working on your laptop or any of the device which you like to work on. Also, why don't you work on the suggestion number 2 and suggestion number 3, which is to write a good research paper and an article, where you can do that easily sitting at a good cafe. Now tip number 5. Now hear me out because this is very important. why don't you use your time of your vacations to register in some good competitions? Register for a moot court or mock trial, trial advocacy or debate competition, youth parliament, MUN, or anything which concerns your legal profession. See, registering in a competition would really occupy you very positively in your vacations and you'll be very, very productive. Also, doing competitions and taking part in them really adds on to your CV, which is a plus point, right? Now for that, you can also visit www.legalhumming.com, where you get a lots and lots of update of upcoming competitions or internships, and so you can find a lots and lots of opportunity there on the website for your vacation period. Now suggestion number 6. Now I would really like to emphasize on this suggestion because recently I have understood that this suggestion would really help you grab a good internship at a top tier firm, because this is one of the skills जो आजकल सारे advocates, सारे firm आप में ढूंढने लग गई है. And that skill is to develop some kind of technical skill. See, let me really clear out with this one. हम लोगों को एक गलत फहमी होती है कि जहाँ पे भी लीगल फर्म है या एडवोकेट का काम है वहाँ पर सिर्फ और सिर्फ लीगल वर्क है, which is really wrong. Now, have you really thought that these legal firms have their good database and a whole technical team is working for them? Now, just imagine you gaining that technical skill in just 15 to 20 days of your vacation period, which could be so helpful and could also lead to your internship at a good top tier firm. Also, learning all these technical skills is not at all a rocket science. तो there are a lot of courses जिनको आप ले सकते हो, Coursera पे है, and I think there are a lot and lots of platform जो आपको आजकल scripting, technical skills सिखा सकते हैं, and you can go and learn it. Understand, ये जो technical skills है ना, ये आजकल सिर्फ website development तक नहीं है. It involves lots and lots of sub skills. For example, graphical aspects, so you can learn graphic designing overall. You can also learn video editing, photo editing. Trust me, it is a good plus point to your own CV, and these days top tier firm does look at your technical skills in your CV. अभी ना ये last suggestion के लिए बिल्कुल मुझे ऐसे पढ़ाकू nerdy वाला title मत देना, but this suggestion is a good one and it's really gonna help you out. Now what you can do is, in your vacations, if you really want to stay at your place, or if you are a person who is an introvert and who likes to read, then go back to your subjects which you already learned in your previous semesters and start revising them. Or you can also take the initiative and read some subjects which are gonna be in your upcoming semester. In that way, you are gonna have a track on what you have already learned in your past semesters and what you are going to learn in your upcoming semesters. In that way, you are also gonna be up to date with your academics. Okay, so these were all my literal suggestions to all of you for your vacations. I hope you have the best vacations and the best semester break. Hope so you'll enjoy a lot and you'll also do a lot of productive stuff. So with that note, if you really like watching this video and if this video was informative to you, then give this video a big thumbs up. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And with that note, this is me, Deshna Jain, signing off now. Bye guys.